In this video, I will show you how to switch branches on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your GitHub account. This is what your dashboard should look like after you're done logging in. The next thing we're going to do is go to the far right of the screen where we see the icon that shows our display image. We click on it and then we go to repositories. Now on the repositories, we're going to find the repo that we want to switch a branch for, and once we click on the repository, we are on this repository and the branch that we are on is dev branch. Now to switch to a different branch, you're going to click on this arrow here and you're going to see the different branches that are available on this repo, and once you click on that other branch, now you're on a different branch and we're on the main branch now. It says this branch is up to date with dev. That's because the dev branch is a default branch. And once we click on this, it's going to show us a different branch also. Now to confirm that we're on a different branch, anytime you see the link, you're going to see the branch name as the last thing on the link. So once we go to the dev branch, you're going to see the dev branch here as part of the tree of the repo. And once we click on a different branch, you see the different branch name here. Now that's how you switch branches on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.